Fast traffic can be yours in just 5 minutes by exploiting this new 2024 strategy. The crazy loophole we discovered on Craigslist that taps into fresh, hot traffic in just 5 minutes. So you can make sales anytime you want. In a new way that will blow your mind. Immediately start making a passive income in minutes. Learn a secret Craigslist trick to get tons of visitors to your products or offers instantly. Make money in just 5 minutes from anywhere with this Craigslist traffic loophole. Affiliate products, e-commerce products, courses, ebooks, offline marketing services, your own products, services, supplements, drop-shipped products, pay-per-call offers, CPA offers, print-on-demand products. This genius strategy will never get old because there are endless ways to use it. This is 100% legal and 100% ethical. Get instant massive traffic to your offers now. You can set this traffic up without Google Ads, without backlinks, without blogging, without creating content, without making videos, without any of the usual things you need to generate a massive amount of traffic. This traffic machine will drive new visitors and sales for you for years to come. You can set up as many of these Craigslist traffic machines as you want. See the flood of affiliate sales from this Craigslist strategy. Bonus 1. How to build an affiliate army. Using the Craigslist traffic loophole. Enroll today for bonus training on building an affiliate army with this Craigslist strategy. Bonus 2. How to use ChatGPT to make this Craigslist traffic loophole work better and faster. Also giving you the AI version of this strategy, so you can make more money, even faster. Craigslist gets over 250 million visitors per month. Craigslist is home to more than 700 local Craigslist websites. And Craigslist is available in 14 different languages. Craigslist is a traffic beast. Get traffic within minutes with this crazy simple strategy. In just 5 minutes, start getting tons of traffic. A couple of screenshots that show how we've used this Craigslist traffic loophole to turn Craigslist traffic into income. And we show you exactly how we do it, so you can model our success. If you purchase through the link in the description, I'll give you a bonus worth $297 for free. To get this bonus, just take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.